If you're applying for a job, here are 9 AI tools that you can use for your job search. Begin with Resume Now. Resume Now allows you to create your CV or your resume. Use these filters. First, choose your photo, choose graphics, number of columns, color for your CV, template, and then you click on that. It allows you to now edit your CV. So your CV is basically ready based on information that you put in. Once that's ready, you can go in and edit your work. You can change things around. You can continue, save, and then download, print, or email it to someone. You can even change the designs that are here on the side. You can even change it to make to suit you, your job or the your preference as well. So once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and save it. And once your CV is ready, now let's go and check if it's worth using. And for that, you use VMOG. Upload your CV over here, and it will give you feedback as to how your CV is placed in relation to the job description. And once your CV is ready, let's go and create you a cover letter. So here, let's use Voila.ai. With this tool, just upload your job description, click on that, and this will help you to create your cover letter that you can use for your job application. So here you go. This is your cover letter. So now this is ready for you to edit and use it. Another tool that you can use to create your cover letter is Piktochart. Use this option, put in your job description, click on that, and it will create your cover letter. Another tool that you can use is ChatGPT. Simply upload your job description over here, click on creating, and what will happen is it will help you to create a cover letter, which might look something like this. Now that you have got your cover letter, let's go and edit that in Grammarly. In Grammarly, let's upload that. It will give you some options as to what you can do to make it better. So I've clicked on that. I've changed that as well. It helps me to look at my grammar as well. So now I have changed all that. I'm happy with the cover letter that I've got. Let's go and prep for my interview. And for that, I'm using interviewprep.ai. Here, simply choose these features. I've got pick your interview type, pick interview stage, who is having your interview with, and now click on that. You put in a job description, the number of minutes, and click on generate. It will help you to create a list of questions that you could use for your job interview. Now, once that's done, the next tool is to have a mock interview. So now you've got your questions. Let's have a mock interview. You click on that, and this will take you to a new place. And once you click on that, it will help you to create to start an interview, and you can have a chat with this tool, which will allow you to ask it will ask you questions, and you can answer, and it will give you feedback. Now, the last thing you'll do is you'll have an interview with a person to start with. So once you have chosen your question type and you have chosen then it says who would you like to have interview with. Let's choose one person. So if I choose that, and now click on the camera icon in the middle, give permission to record it. If prompted, check to see if you could record that as well. And now I'm allowing this, and click on next. So what will happen is it will take you to another dashboard where you'll have a setup, and you can ask questions as well. So basically, these are the tools that I've used. I've used Resume Now. I've used VMock for checking my resume. Then I'm using Voila.ai to create my CV, or I can use Piktochart. I can use ChatGPT to create my cover letter. And if I'm happy with any of these ones, I'll go to Grammarly and edit that. Then I'll use Interview Prep to ask me some questions. Or I can use Who.ai as well. And finally, I will use Interview Bot to sum up my